Hey, folks, now you will look at trading in a different way and it will make you very happy soon. This is Maxbot channel. I am a trader with over 10 years experience in this business. And right now I want to share with you my AI assistant that scans the market, gives indicator reports and tips. You can get it for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, write to the manager in private messages, he will tell you everything. So, I started trading. The franc-yen currency pair. Time frame 2 minutes. I got a recommendation from the robot for the 5-minute time frame to better understand how events will develop and what trends will be formed. Active selling. That's what the neural network told me. 5 indicators are glowing red. According to the historical data, I saw that the bulls may gradually loosen their grip, the bears are gradually returning to the market with their volumes, and the price may soon bounce from the resistance zone, forming a local downtrend. The periodicity of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. In order not to miss new useful content, click on the subscribe to channel button and on the bell. Give us a like and comment, we need your feedback. Friends, now I am preparing for you a rich course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial consultant. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you to understand and deal with. Let's be real, trading isn't for the faint of heart. It's not a quick fix, and it's definitely not a shortcut to easy money. Trading is a craft, a discipline. It's the business of mastering uncertainty, and it rewards those who treat it seriously. That's why we're starting where most people fail, money management. If you're not managing your risk, you're not trading, you're gambling. The golden rule? Never enter a position with more than 1 to 2% of your capital. That's it. If your deposit is $500, your trades shouldn't exceed $5 to $10. This one rule separates the reckless from the professionals. It's the difference between blowing your account and building long-term success. Think of your capital like fuel. If you burn it all trying to sprint to the finish, you'll run out before you ever get close. It's not about being afraid to lose, it's about being smart enough to survive. Now, here's what nobody wants to hear. You're going to lose trades. No matter how good you are, no matter how much you've studied, you're going to hit red days. But that doesn't mean you're not built for this. Remember Rocky? The guy didn't win every fight, but he got back up. Again and again. That's trading. It's not the knockout punch that defines you. It's your ability to take hits and keep moving forward. You're not going to be perfect. Neither was Steve Jobs. He got fired from the company he started. J.K. Rowling got rejected 12 times before someone believed in Harry Potter. Michael Jordan? Cut from his high school team. The point isn't how you fall, it's how you get back up. Every losing trade is feedback. Every mistake is a lesson. Every rough day is a chance to sharpen your edge. Success doesn't arrive fully formed. It's built, brick by brick, trade by trade. That's why I created a tool. Not just another bot, but an assistant. An AI-powered trading partner that reads charts, monitors indicators, and helps guide your decision-making. It doesn't sleep. It doesn't get emotional. It analyzes data in real time and flags opportunities with more precision than guesswork ever could. And right now, this bot is absolutely free. But only for a limited time. So don't wait. Grab it now through the link in the description. Because every edge you can get in this game counts, and this tool gives you one. I've seen people quit their day jobs and trade full-time, not because they were geniuses, but because they were consistent. They followed rules. They logged their trades. They used technology to their advantage. They showed up, even on the hard days. Yes, trading is risky. Just like starting a business or investing in real estate. But here's the truth. Risk isn't the enemy. Ignorance is. And when you combine skill, discipline, and the right tools, that's when things start clicking. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail, There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link is below the video. I also want to remind you that we help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. Let's talk numbers. If you're trading with a $100 deposit and risking $1 per trade, your profit per win is around 80 cents. That's okay. But with a $1,000 deposit, that same logic gives you $8 per win. Same trade, same effort, just more capital. That's why I always recommend funding your account with as much as you're comfortable risking. Now let's talk analysis. Every good trader is a good detective. After each session, review your trades. Were your entries clean? Did you follow your plan? Did you act on emotion or logic? Look at your indicators. RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. Don't just chase candles. Understand the rhythm behind them. Use a journal. Record what worked, what didn't. Build a library of experience. Great traders aren't born. They're documented. They're deliberate. They don't leave progress to chance. And now let's zoom out. Let's look at the big picture. Because the future of finance is being rewritten, one line of code at a time. Machine learning is already transforming how financial institutions operate. Banks, hedge funds, trading firms, they're all automating everything from fraud detection to asset management. Why? Because the human brain has limits. But AI doesn't. Imagine being able to predict sudden spikes in volatility based on global sentiment data. Or catching early signs of market instability based on thousands of unstructured data points. That's not science fiction, it's now. And this technology is becoming more accessible by the day. With machine learning, we're training algorithms to identify patterns we can't even see. These systems are processing billions of data points across timeframes, assets, and news cycles. And they're giving smart traders an edge. Not by replacing human intuition, but by amplifying it. You don't need to be a coder to use it. That's where the tools come in. That's where our assistant changes the game. It watches, it learns, it adapts, and it frees you up to focus on execution, not obsession. Because success in trading isn't about sitting in front of the screen 12 hours a day. It's about making smarter decisions in less time. So don't just work hard, work smart. Use every advantage, learn from every loss, push through every plateau. Because here's the truth. If you keep showing up, you will get better. That's the law of repetition. That's the law of growth. Now, if you've made it this far, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment. Tell me what indicators you trust most. How you manage your risk. What strategies keep you profitable. Let's build a community that shares, sharpens, and supports. Hit that like if you got value. Subscribe if you want more content that's real, grounded, and driven by results, not hype. And remember this. Nobody ever built a legacy by quitting. You've got what it takes. You got the tools. You got the opportunity. Now go make it count. And I've finished my work. You've seen the results on the screens. Bye.